Hello friends, today we are going to make some druzzy earrings, bracelet, necklace and a ring. Here as you can see I am pouring some white color resin. I mixed it in a proportion of 2:1. Then I am pouring into my mold. I have added some white color. Here you can see I added some stones to my mold. Then I'm going to demold it. Wow, this looks so beautiful. And yes, I'm going to demold it. I will clear up all the residue whatever here. The stones what I have given here, I haven't added any glitter. Now you can see there's a sign of resin. Oh, this already looks so beautiful. Using a silver color, I'm going to make some borders over here. This is actually a very calming process. I will do it carefully. Then I'm going to add a holographic glitter into my resin. I am mixing it carefully so that there won't be any bubble. Now I'm going to dome to my resin earrings or the items what I have got here. I will do it very carefully and look how it looks like. So oh my god, the shine is so beautiful. Oh. So I'm going to speed up the process. Then I added a black color. The same process I will repeat it here. I have added here black glitter, a holographic and a black color. Then I'll be putting it into my mold so that it will give a druzzy effect here. As you can see, I'm doing it. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe so that I can know what my subscriber wants, and hope you like the video and see what I made here. And after 24 hours I demolded it and it looks so beautiful. Yeah, this is so good. Now I'm going to do the same process here. I will be doing the filing borders and all here. See, wait, I have to take it out. Oops. So here are the things what I received in my second batch. Oh, it's so glittery, so good. Oh, nice. This is very good. Now I'll do the same with the silver lining. I added the borders to it. To the rest of the part also I'll be doing the same. To the inner part also I'll be adding this silver color. Look at the shine, look at the shine. Oh my god. Now it's time to make some jewelry. So I'll be adding this jump ring to make a pendant or a necklace. Here I applied UV resin and now I'm going to give this UV light so that it will stick properly. Now I'm just giving some earrings binding to it. Now it's ready. As you can see it here, these are the earrings and a bracelet. There's a black earrings, neck stud and a bracelet actually. This is a earrings and a ring and a necklace, druzzy necklace. This is a white color, white earring and a bracelet. No, this is not a bracelet, it's a pendant. And now this is a stud and an adjustable necklace. Hope you like the video guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.